everyone, this is Kelly. I decided to create a very quick walkthrough of MailerLite. By the way, if you hear any noise, it's my air conditioner. It's on. Summer is here, and I've been using MailerLite. I love it. You can create a free account. Make sure you set up, import your subscribers, and all that stuff. I have, like you can see, simple form, stacked form, all sorts. You can have you can have it as a landing page. You can embed. For this video specifically, I'm going to show you how to create and copy the code and embed on your website. I'm also going to show you how to customize it a little bit. Just give your form a name, first of all. Choose your list because you can have many different lists. And that's where people are gonna go as they're gonna go be inserted to as subscribers. Oh my god! So it usually comes with like the title and a description. You don't need to have that if you don't want to. It's very good in case you're gonna use it as a landing page. But in this case, because we're gonna put it in a website, I'm just gonna customize everything. I'm gonna put a name, drag it all the way to the top, and you can have as many fields as you prefer. Then you can customize and make it unique, whatever you want. Like I said, if it's going to be a landing page, you can have a nice background image. For me, when I have a landing page, it converts about 2.5%. And when it's on a website, converts about 1%. So it's up to you. But as we're going to put on the website, I'm going to have the full page transparent. And I'm also going to have the form itself, which is just like this small box around the form, transparent. This way we can put on any type of background color. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to customize the font size, the font color, the shape of the field as well, because I'm going to be embedding this on the Anna Wolf. And that website is very sharp with all the images, and it's very minimal and clean as well. So I want this form to match that design. If you're using on something more rounded, soft, you can just increase the number. And if you want to be very sharp, you just put a zero in there. I'm gonna do the same thing with the subscribe button. I like to customize this to align with my brand voice, right? So I'm like, join the tribe, join my community. Anything that's gonna stand out, excite people hopefully, and make it really unique and align with your brand message. And again, I'm gonna put a zero on the border radius because I want everything to be very sharp to match the design. Then we're going to go to the next phase, which is just going to be creating your form and creating your code. So that's going to take a couple of seconds or so. Okay, more than a couple of seconds. And you go to the HTML code, copy, and then you can paste it anywhere you want. You can also have the form as a pop-up like you saw. I am not a fan of pop-ups. They are annoying. Um, I was gonna put it on the contact page, but let's go to the home page because that's where I have the form for this one. So I can show you the exact widget. You can also, of course, if you use Wix, if you use Squarespace, sometimes they connect directly with these tools like MailChimp, MailerLite, sometimes not. And like you can see, I just open the text and I paste it in there and you save, publish, and that's it. Simple, right?